Hey there, I'm Bianca Pitts with Creative Marketing Mom. I have a super quick tutorial. This is really handy if you are sick and tired of these bajillion pop-up banners from all of the plugins. Like, just because they're free does not mean you should have to deal with this. And it can really get, one, overwhelming, and two, so distracting. And let's not forget the fact that there's no way I'm going to sit here every single time I refresh my page and like exit out of these 3,000 things, right? It's just not going to happen. So we're going to come over here to the left-hand side. Luckily, there's one really easy way to fix this. We're going to go to plugins and then add new. Type in admin notices and search. Now we're going to install hide admin notices. And now we'll click activate. And ba-bam! Just like that, all of those are gone. I'm also going to show you the main dashboard that was also completely flooded with those pop-ups before. And just like that, look at that, a nice, simple, clean dashboard for the first time in like a year because I've been putting it off. I'm so glad I did. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video.